me that mic, man. This is war, man. You playing with the mic? Lord, they ignoring like I'm incredibly better. Undeniable power emanating from my words. Fiery energy guaranteed to burn my enemies. Divine power incomparable, so bow to your knees. Only unbelievers deny the gradient Allah. Envious, jealous fuckers, man, I wish they could die. Man, we just keep on climbing high the ladder, God. Messages in your midst revealing higher truth, no lie. Multi-dimensional, this defense essential. Nothing like you ever seen before, trapdoors, of course. We were spitting the robbers, koala fighting Holywarz. Tell them, Lord, killing time for you forever, ruling yours. Right leg, violently busting down one's closed doors. Let them witness the power that you're bringing in this hour. When it's time to face the oppressor, they turning truly cowards. Won't allow it, raging righteous war, splitting up the core. But the problem, you gon' face me either or. We riding on the foes, revenge coming with an anger just because. Lessons for the guiding, eternity in the garden, that's why I am exciting. Holy war and unbelievers, we soldiers for the fighting. Blaze up the torch, the darkness we lighting. What time for the revelation in the door are they hiding? Made up our mind, with Allah reciting. Let no one turn their back when the two hosts are colliding. No fear shall come upon us, this is truly exciting. Promise with abiding, whose words can be truer than whoer. Show truth through Yeshua, this ain't no newer version of the truth. Holywarz they had to fight to establish peace. Don't you tremble from the me. Show courage at least, not against each other, against the oppressor. Show them you ain't lesser. Victory shall be yours if you're willing to fight, cause Allah loveth no aggressor.